Hi children, how are you? Okay children, today we are going to start trigonometric identities and identity equation involving trigonometric ratios are called trigonometric identities children. Okay children, there are three major trigonometric identities. What are they? Number one, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 children. Okay children, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. The same thing can also be written as a what children? Sin square theta. Sin square theta is equal to what children? Let me write first all three identities. Next is a sec square theta minus tan square theta is also equal to 1. And third is a cosec square theta minus cot square theta is also equal to 1. And one thing children, this all is applicable for valid good for theta value greater than or equal to 0 degree and less than or equal to 90 degree. If you put in place of theta, either you put 0 or 30 degree or 45 degree or 60 degree or 90 degree, you will get the right hand side. For example children, if in place of theta we are taking 0 degree, so what will happen? Sin 0 degree, sin square 0 degree plus cos square 0 degree. Sin square 0 how much children? Sin 0 is a 0, so square of 0 plus cos 0 is a 1 and square. 0 square plus 1 square, that is 1. 1 is the right hand side, means left hand side equal to right hand side. That is, this equation holds good for theta is equal to 0. Similarly children, suppose you are taking in place of theta 90 degree, so sin square 90 degree plus cos square 90 degree. Let's check either we are getting 1 or not children. Sin 90 children 1 and square of cos 90 0. Again children, 1 square 1 plus 0 square 0. 1 plus 0 1. We got the right hand side children. Similarly children, in place of theta you can take any value 0 or greater than 0 but 90 and less than 90. You will see that all three equations holds good. I hope you understood what I want to say. Second, similarly here also, if in place of sec theta you are taking sec square 0 minus tan square 0, after putting value you will get 1. Suppose you are putting 90, sec square 90 degree minus tan square 90 degree, again you will get 1. Similarly, sec square 30 minus tan square 30 degree, sec square 45 degree minus tan square 45 degree, sec square 60 degree minus tan square 60 degree. You take any specific value between 0 and 90, including them. You will see that LHS will be equal to RHS. That is, this identity holds good for theta value greater than equal to 0 degree and less than equal to 90 degree children. Okay children, after this, when we wrote this one, these three are very important. On this basis, we are going to solve question exercise 11.4 children. Along with that, just see the transformation of terms from here to there. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. I am deriving other thing. Suppose sometimes you need only sin square theta. So what happens? Sin square theta is equal to cos square theta goes that side. And you will get 1 minus cos square theta. So same identity can be written as a sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Or you can write suppose cos square theta is equal to what children? 1 minus sin square theta. So this identity can be written in this form and this form. And trust it, all the three are very important. Only knowing this is not important, because in exam you are not going to say that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus. I will suggest that you must remember these three forms directly, and automatically it will be done with practice, and practice, children. Okay, children. Now sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Or yes, children, sec square theta is equal to minus tan square theta goes that side, becomes plus. So 1 plus tan square theta. And the next one, very important, which most of the students used to write wrong. So be careful here, children. In this one, tan square theta is equal to, tell me what? Tan square theta is equal to 1 minus sec square theta. No. Most of the students here write tan square theta is equal to 1 minus sec square theta. No, children. Here left side minus tan square theta is there. Suppose minus tan square theta is going that side, it will become tan square theta. 1 take this side. So what happens, children? Sec square theta minus 1. It is a very important. You should be careful here. Most of the students write tan square theta is equal to 1 minus sec square theta. It is wrong. This is a minus. So minus tan square theta is equal to 1 minus sec square theta. So tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1, children. It's very easy. You can understand that what I am saying. It's a minus here. That's why tan square theta is equal to this carry that side, 1 carry this side, it's enough. Okay, children. Similarly here, or cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, or cosec square theta is equal to 1. That goes and becomes plus 1 plus cot square theta. Or again careful like previous. What, children? Cot square theta is equal to what, children? Cot square theta is equal to, yes, cosec square theta minus 1. These two you should watch carefully. Okay, children. On the basis of these three, we can solve many questions or any questions on this basis, on this type, children. Okay, children. This is very, very important. So this was the introduction of trigonometric identities. Now let's solve some questions on this basis, children.